Hi guys, welcome to Core Artisan Lab. This is our sixth video for Laravel blog website, and in this video we will create our admin login panel. So till now we have just created our Hello World application. Actually we have just installed our Laravel application, and we have created models for our database schema for our application blogging website, and we have also seen that how that what we are going to use in our admin panel. Now in this video we will create a login panel. So let's do this. So the first thing what here we will do, I have running my server with the php artisan serve command. I'll stop the server, and here I will create a controller. So I will create a controller with artisan command. So php artisan make controller, and here I will create admin controller. So this will create a admin controller file in our. Here I have opened my blog directory at Laravel project directory, and in this, when I will go to the app directory, and in this http will go to the controller. Here admin controller will be created. So here you can see we have a admin controller, and if we go to the command line, then the message is showing controller created successfully. So now we will open this controller file, and in this controller file we will create a function for login. So I will comment here login view. So here I will create a function login, and in this I will return view, and here I will create a login. Okay, so now we need to create a blade template for login. So what I will do here, I will go to the blog directory, and in this I will go to the resource views, and here I will create a, first of all I will create a folder backend. You can say, yeah, you can say backend, and in this backend I will create a login dot blade dot php. Okay, let's create here simple message, and here I will create a h3 tag, and in this h3 tag I will create h3, and let's verify this. And one thing more we need to do, we need to create a route. So let's go to the routes folder, and in this we need to go to the web, and here we will use our admin controller. So I will copy this home controller, and after the home I will edit it and name it admin controller. And same like the home controller, we need to get the page. So what we need to do, I will use admin, and I will use login. So this will be my URL address, which will be correspondence to my admin controller class login method. So this is our method, and this is our class. So let's verify this that it is working correctly. So I will start the server. So I will start to the server, and now hello world is working, and now I'll go to the admin slash login. Okay, so let's see what will happen. So it is saying that view login not found. So let's see what we have done. Actually we are loading a login, but we have created a login file in the backend directory. So what we will do here, if you are loading from the directory, then you need to put like this backend dot login. So it means it will load the login file from the backend directory. So let's see this. So here you can see we have a login. Now we are loading a login file. Now we need to create this via, like, I need to, this is my sp admin directory. We are going to use this admin. So I have discussed about this admin in my fifth video. So this is the login file that we are going to create. So what I will do here, I will copy this login file, I will not copy this file. Okay, I will copy this file, and let's resources, views, backend. Let's put paste here. I will delete the my created login file and rename it login.blade.php. Let's see what it will show. So this is the sb admin login. So what we will do here, so we will put here admin login, and now we need to load these files. So I have copied these files from my admin directory, from my admin template to my blog directory public template. Here you can see we have a backend folder, and we have a css js and vendor folder. Now we need to load this. So how we can load this in Laravel? So in Laravel, there is a special helper to loading the static files. So here we need to put asset, and in this asset we will put the directory name. So our directory name is backend. Okay, and after the backend we will put slash, and same we will copy for the all folders, just like this. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so we have a you can see here we have a login file. Now we need to work on this functionality. So we have created the admin controller. Now we need to create the model. So what we will do here, we will close this, we will stop the server, and we will create php artisan make model, php and artisan make model admin. Okay, and with the admin model we will also create migration. Okay, so this m flag will create the migration file. So let's see this. So we will go to the blog directory, and in this we will go to the database, and in the database we will go to migration, and here at the end we can you can see here we have a admin table. So now in this admin table, in the up method, so this is our primary key, so we are not going to change this, and this is the timestamps. So this will create the actually this will create three columns, one for primary id, and the second one is updated and created at. So we will not change this, we will add our columns. So the first column will be string. This will be a data type. So in this we will put the username, and after the username we will put the string password. Okay, so these two fields we are going to create for admin, and so let's do this. So let's migrate this actually. So what we need to do, we are going to migrate this. So php artisan migrate. Okay, so let's run this command. So this is saying that migration type, this is saying that uh, no connection. Actually it is saying that we have not connected with any database. So I will open the blog directory, and I'll go to the env file. So I will open the env file, and here I will put the L8 blog. So I will open the PHP artisan. So okay, no connection could be made because okay. So it means we have not started our MySQL server actually. So we need to start the server. Actually, we need to start the control panel. So I will go to the directory, and I will start the control panel, because our admin service database service is not started. So I will start this both actually, Apache and MySQL, and then I will go to the localhost slash phpMyAdmin. So this is taking some seconds. Okay, now it's opening. So this is a database that we have created. Now let's run the migrate command again. So I will put here migrate. Okay, so migration has been done. So now go to the database, and here you can see we have a admin table, and we have a four fields, five actually: primary ID, username, password, created and updated. So now now let's insert the demo data. So I will username, I will put the admin, and in the password I will put also the admin. So uh, I'm just keeping it like plain password. So I'm not encrypting it. We will encrypt it later. So I will just uh, insert the values, username and admin. So let's check this. So let's uh, create the working functionality of admin. So here we have a login.plate.php file. I'll close the env file, and I'll also close the migration file. Now we need to submit this form. So the method will be post. Okay, and the CSRF token, we need the CSRF token because without this token you can't submit the form in Laravel. And we also need to, actually it will not work because we need to work on the folder. So in which folder I'm doing this? Laravel projects. So Laravel, we can run Laravel in both ways, with the help of like PHP Artisan command, or you can directly run with the help of XAMPP server. So it is Laravel projects / blog, and if you are running from the URL, then you need to run the public. You need to open the public folder. Okay, now hello world is working, and now we will go to the admin login. So the admin login is also working. Now we will work on this functionality. So let's do this. So what we need to do, so here we have a CSRF token. Now if I go to the view source, then you can see here we have a CSRF token like this is the token. So now the first thing we need to do, we will create a route for our post method. So I will copy this, okay, and put it here, and the method will be post, and the action will be same, and the method will be submit login. Okay, and the submit login, here we will create the method another submit login. Okay, so let's add the method, and in this method what we are going to do, so here we are using the request. Here we are going to use the request variable for getting the data from the form, and we are also validate this form. So request validate, so we will add the validation. So which validation we need to do, the first thing we need to put the name. So name will be username, and the second element name will be password. Okay, and now in this we will put the username, and we need to username is will be required, and same for the password. Okay, password. Okay, and now if all things work, then what we will do, we will check that username or password is exist in the database, then we will redirect to another page. Okay, so here we will use the use app models. We will use the admin model and admin. Okay, so let's check the model that we have created. recently. So models, here we have a admin model. Okay, we don't need to put anything in the admin class. Laravel will be Laravel do automatically, do the automatically things. So admin, actually we need to put this slash model. Okay, model. Okay, so now let's check this. So what we will do here, we will check the that user is exist or not. So user check equal to admin, and we will put the condition here where, and in the where we will put username, and in the username we will get the username from request username, and for the password same for as we are doing for username, same for the password. Okay, and now we will count, and here we will check if dollar username user check will greater than 0, then we will return redirect at like admin dashboard. Okay, we will create this route soon, and let's create the method for dashboard, function dashboard, and just simply put like return dashboard. Okay, just simply return the dashboard text, and in this we will just copy this and put it here, and here we will put dashboard, and the method will be dashboard. So this is the whole structure that in this login panel we are doing. So after the, like if username and password is exist, then the count will be greater than 0, and it will automatically redirect to the dashboard. Else what we will show, we will return redirect to the admin login, but with method, with not with method, with message. So what message we will show? Invalid username or password. Okay, so in the login panel we need to show the method, we need to show the both messages. If someone not put the username or password, then we need to show the form error, and if somebody put the wrong username or password, then we need to show this message. Or if somebody put the, if not exist in our database that username or password, then we will show the invalid username or password. Okay, so before the form start, we will put here if dollar errors, if dollar errors, and if. So in the blade template we can define if condition like this syntax. So, and for each, what we will do here, errors all as error. Okay, and here we will put and for each, and in this we will put the p tag and show the message dollar error. And for this we are using a bootstrap, so that I am using text to danger. So this will show the p tag in a red text. So this is the error for the form. Now if the, now if username or password is incorrect, then what we will do, if session. So this with method will create a flash session. So our session name is error, session key is error. So if session has error, we are checking that if session has error, then we will show the Then we will show them class text danger, and in this we will show the session error. Okay, so we have created all the things to for required our login functionality. So let's check this now. So like if I put if I'm not if I not put the username or password, then what will show here? Actually this is showing because of require field, because of this require field. Let's remove this so that we can check the validation. So I will remove this. Okay, let's check this. So username field is required and password field is incorrect. So this is the method we are this is the error we are showing with the help of Laravel. So uh, so this is the thing that this validate function is doing. So now let's put admin and put 1 2 3 4 5 and submit. Actually this is it is showing the type email, so we need to I will put the type text so that it is saying. Let's put admin, and in the admin I will put the 1 2 3 4 5 and submit this. So pass though, so this is saying that the password is incorrect. Okay, so let's okay, the password is incorrect. We are showing the password and our field name is password. So let's put the admin and also put admin here. So let's submit this. So it is also it is still showing the password is incorrect. So let's debug this. So this type password and the name is password. Okay, we are doing things right. And in the okay, we need to put here required. Actually we need to put the required field here so that it is saying. So let's verify without anything. So username and password is required, it is working correctly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and submit. So invalid username password, it also working correctly. Now put the right things. So admin username, submit, and it is redirecting on the dashboard. So our admin functionality, admin login functionality is working fine. So in this video I just want to show the admin login functionality. Now in the next video we will work on our category. So because we are creating a blog website, so we will create the category section. We will add, updated, delete categories. We will also create our admin dashboard, and later we will add the hash method to encrypt our password, because we are storing a plain password. But in this series I will must use the hash method. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And please, if you have not subscribed this channel, then please subscribe and share with your friends. So thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.